to fix our neshamot is by doing tshuva. It's the only way. There's a lot of, inner turmoil that many people suffer. And when they go to the psychiatrist, they go to the psychologist, they go to their friends, they go to the self-help courses and all of those things, and realize that none of that stuff helps on a permanent basis. This parashat B'Shalach, is a reminder. It's a reminder for all of those people that are seeking cures. In the chapter 15, the last verse of chapter 15, it says, Ani Adonai Rofecha. I am God, your healer. So, there is an enormous amount of sickness that Am Yisrael has today, and also the Goyim, of course, both spiritually and physically. And the tests keep getting bigger. The tests keep getting bigger. But Hashem says there's a solution. Ani Adonai Rofecha. I am God, your healer. Meaning He's the solution. He's the one that brought the disease, and He's the one that has the cure. Same source.